Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about restaurant menus, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a restaurant menu for free in Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a restaurant menu anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're running an online business creating restaurant menus for your clients across the country. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your free Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a restaurant menu, what you're going to do is click on the search bar right here on the top, and then you want to type in restaurant menu. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the restaurant menu templates in Canva, but you want to click on this button here called See All. It's in purple. Okay, guys, so here are all of the templates that are available in Canva to create a restaurant menu. Now, most of them are free. However, if they have a crown right here, that means you have to have the paid subscription. So what I'll normally do is I'll scroll to the top and then click on this button here, All Filters. And then what's going to happen, you'll see this menu on the left, and just scroll to the bottom and click on Free, and then click on Apply. Okay, so here are all of the free menus, templates that we can go ahead and put together. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one kind of lines up with your brand. So most of this we're going to be able to edit, but we want a restaurant menu that kind of fits the typical layout. So for me, this one looked pretty good right here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show a little bit larger image. And the cool thing about Canva is once you click on one, it's going to show you other related ones. So sometimes you can find a better one if you scroll down. But for me, this one looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Customize this template. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and create our restaurant menu. So it's kind of small, so you can go ahead and increase the size right here, and it makes it a little easier to work with. And as far as editing your restaurant menu, it's pretty easy. As you hover over each one of these items, you're going to see a purple box, and that means we can edit whatever's inside there. So for example, this says food menu. We'll just click into here and I'll triple click. And then let's say this is a Chinese restaurant. Okay. Now you can see it's kind of strange. It's a little too big. So we can go ahead and decrease the size right up here and just keep dropping it down until it looks good. Okay. So that looks good. And then maybe we want to go ahead and change the color. We can click that there and then click here. It's bold, unbold, and then here's the text color. So maybe we want this to be a nice bright red, and you can even change the font right here if you want. So maybe we'll just type in Chinese. Okay. And we'll change that. Okay. I don't really like that one. Let's do this one right here. Yeah, that looks a little better. And then we can just make it a little bigger. Okay. That looks pretty good. And let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay. So now we have a Chinese restaurant, so we're not going to be selling grilled salmon. So maybe we'll change this to teriyaki. Okay. And then we want to change this image. So when you're changing the image, what you're going to do is here on the left side, click on upload. Okay. And it's going to show all the pictures that you have. So obviously we want to have a picture of teriyaki chicken here. So we would need to upload it from our computer right here. Once it's uploaded, it's going to show up right here. And then all you're going to do is just grab the picture and just drag it right on over, and you can see it just replaces. Once it replaces, then just let go and it changes the picture. Here we can go ahead and update the prices. So let's say maybe we're going to charge $17 for teriyaki chicken, and then we can go ahead and edit the description. Now, if there's parts of the menu they don't really like, you can easily just delete it. So for example, if we don't want this line here on the top, we can just click on it and then delete. And same thing with this line right here. We'll just delete that. That looks a little better to me. And you can easily just grab these boxes and move it around. So maybe we want Chinese restaurant to be on the top, and then we're going to have the name of the company right below. So we'll put that there. Okay. So if you're putting together a restaurant menu, typically it's going to be more than one page. So that's okay. What we can do is we can scroll down and we can click on add a page. And then if we shrink it down a little bit, we'll be able to see both pages. So what I just did is I added a blank page. So that's not going to be too easy to put together to have it match up here. Although you can, but it's just going to take a lot more time. So let me go ahead and delete this page. And generally what I'll do is I'll just create the first page and then I'll just duplicate it right here. So duplicate, and you can see it's the same layout. So now we can go back in and edit page number 2. So if this is a Chinese restaurant, maybe we'll have all of the main courses here. And then on page 2, we'll go ahead and update this to appetizers. All right. And then maybe we'll go ahead and duplicate this page right here. And then page number 3, we'll have this one as drinks. Okay. And then same thing, we're just going to go back in and edit each one of these pictures, and we can zoom in a little bit more down here. Okay, now I want to let you know on the back, you can see it's this kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a gray color. You can change that. So just click here and you can see this purple box around the menu. And up here on the top, click on this color wheel. Once you click on the color wheel, you're going to be able to choose the background color. So we can see we can lighten it up. We can make it red. That looks actually pretty good. We can make it yellow. We can make it a color, like a rainbow color, or different variations of rainbow color. I think this one actually looks pretty good right there. Okay. And then as you see, the other pages are not matching up. So what we can do is we can go ahead and click here and change all, and it updates to all the pages. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. So what you want to do next is go ahead and click up here on the title and then just change the name of your restaurant menu. So we'll change it to Chinese restaurant menu. Okay. And then next, what you want to do is go ahead and click on share here on the top right. Okay. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and click on download. Okay. Here you can go ahead and choose the file type. So whoever's going to be printing this off for you, you want to ask them what type of file. So that you can do a JPG, a PNG, PDF. For me, I'm going to go ahead and do a PNG, and then I'm going to click on download. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, now it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is my restaurant menu. You can see we got a PNG1, PNG2, and PNG3. So we can go ahead and swipe through there. So if you want, you can go ahead and upload this into your Google Drive and then share it at your restaurant just with the link, or you can have this printed out with your local printer. And with Canva, you can actually have it printed out directly from Canva. If you wanted to do that, you just click on share and then print with Canva. There is a cost associated with that, and then also time of delivery. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a restaurant menu in Canva for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.